Welcome to Art for You's upload guide to uploading paintings. This is just a simplified guide of how to get them up and submitted for a review, and we can take it from there. So don't worry if you forget anything. So you're going to go into New Product, and this first box up here is your title. So I'm going to put up an image of a Christmas tree, and I'm going to double click it and carry it down here and paste it in. And by your title, so I'm going to say Santa Claus. Underneath you're going to have the description, so your medium, your size, whether it's framed or unframed, and your postage preference. We recommend that you have at least free postage within Ireland, if not worldwide postage. But if you're only doing Ireland, that you have email lists for international postage costs underneath it. So your title and your name is going to be double clicked and highlighted under heading 3. And from postage back up as far as medium, you're going to copy and bring it right down to the bottom into your product short description, and right click and paste. So we're going to go back up to where we were, and underneath your focus keyword is going to be your title, so Christmas tree. And below, we'll take care of the SEOs and everything, so just below, if you can put in after title your name again, and we can take care of the rest. So your price goes in here, so I'm going to put this as $2.50, and your inventory is the amount of products available. So where you see manage stock, you're going to tick this and put in how many is available. So in this case, in most cases, it'll be 1. And down to skip the next 2 and down to attributes. So my art medium is going to be oil, and back up to it again, and my painting is going to be a still life. So that's us done on the left hand side of the page. So we're going to scroll back up to the right hand side, and for product gallery, we put all the images onto wall art, so you don't need to worry about anything there. So your set product image is going to be your actual painting. So this is my Christmas tree, and that's sorted there. Here we have product tags, and that's going to be just a few tags of what you're selling. So art for you, buy art, Christmas gift ideas, just a couple from there just to show what you're selling. An oil painting, original painting, wall art, and I'm going to put in painting of Christmas tree and add. This is your product category, so you're going to go into paintings, so that's your full category, and your subcategory in this case is going to be a still life, and it's going to be marked as primary. But if you have a painting that's, say, of a seascape and it also has people in it and maybe some animals, you can tick all them and put the main subject as your primary, so perhaps seascape will be marked as primary then. And that's you done, and you click submit for review. Please ensure not to save as draft, because it just goes in with many others that aren't looked at or seen. So submit for review, and we'll get notification and we can make changes as necessary. So submit for review. And that's it done. So this makes everything much quicker for us to get things uploaded. But if you have any more questions, don't forget to let us know, and we'll be try and be helpful. Take care.